What up, YouTube? I am Rello, and you're now tuned in to Rello World with yet another vlog. Well, more of a trial thing. Today, man, I'm gonna tackle something that's an eyesore to me. So, what it is this top. All the fading. Eventually I gotta go ahead and replace it, but for right now thought I'd just try something out, a product that I found on Amazon called Forever Black, and it's sort of like a top dye for convertible tops. And what it is on this top, I think this top, before I got it, I think they painted it black. It used to be beige, just like the insides was beige, and I painted them. But yeah, eventually I gotta replace it anyways. But it ain't leaking or nothing, it's just old, so I gotta replace it anyways. But I'm gonna try this stuff out right here, see if I can take care of that fading. Hopefully it works out for me, but ain't nothing but a trial, you know. I gotta get a top anyways, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Yeah, all it is a gel, pretty much a dye. It said it dries in 15 minutes. So I'm gonna test it out and see if it'll work for me. If not, you know, well, I'm gonna get a top anyways, regardless if it work or not. So we gonna see if it work. And it also says it lasts 12 months. So let me set up this camera and get straight to it. It come with everything already in it, pretty much. Little applicator and a dye. So that's pretty much all I need for it. Just apply it on and go from there. We're gonna see how this work out. Got my little gloves, so I'm gonna get my hands all dyed and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put the gloves on. And get to work. What I'm doing is just spreading it over, pretty much, putting a little on at a time. Test it out, then really do it. Hopefully this one bottle cover the whole thing. If not, I have to get another. I got it off Amazon for like $15, I want to say. I haven't seen it in the store though, man. So, they sell this in the store. It's fine. I hate ordering online, you know, you gotta wait for the stuff. You have to go in the store and get it. would be better. That would be choice. Can't find it in this.
That didn't think I can do it. All it took was a track. Now sit back and watch me prove it. But they thought it's a game. Well, I ain't one to be played. Tell them niggas I'm ready and I ain't.
Alright guys, you see, I don't know if it's cause it's wet, but it actually look a little better. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this is the part I ain't do, and this is the part I did do. So it actually do look a little better. So I'm gonna keep trying it out, do the whole top, let it dry. Probably a few days, let it dry. And it say 15 minutes, but I'm gonna do like a few days and let it dry. So
they can try, chances slim. Who am I? I am him. Hello world.
I don't know if I should have masked everything out before I started this. Not, but I'm gonna keep going at it.
What they thought I was done, I stuck my dick in this bitch. I gotta fuck her till she come. Made money my mission, could give a fuck about the fame. It being frank in my pockets, I bet they know me by name. Funny how shit change, I'm still the same, been going hard. They just start paying attention, and with my intentions, not to brag and boast and say I'm the best, but I am real low, and I ain't nothing like the rest. Put no life to the label, and ain't a damn thing changed. Still eyes on the prize.
Right now it seems like a little squirt cover a good amount, so I don't know if I'm gonna have to get another bottle, but that all depends on how it looks when it dries.
Living life, trying to breathe in that success smell. Yeah. Like I said, trying to stop me, boy, your chances slim. Hello world, I am him. Back to it. Yeah, it's on. How they gon' stop me, nigga? I'm in my zone. They can try. Chances slim.
Trying to bring a lot of car content to my channel, whether it be with my car or other cars. So that's pretty much where this channel is going with, man. Where I'm going with it. The car culture channel. You hear this browsing, you know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button if you like that kind of stuff, man. I'm gonna be bringing it to you. That's the plan. So, yeah, man, just hit that subscribe button. Go watch some of my earlier videos of car content that I got with this car. I got some with my truck and other cars, you know, car shows, all that good stuff, man. If you into like the car cultures, yeah, man, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna bring you footage of what I see, you know. Keep going with it. I'm gonna do like how-to videos and trial videos, you know, trying new things, doing stuff for myself pretty much. I like to work on cars myself, so that's pretty much what my videos will be about with my cars. Other than the things that I can't do, like painting, and I plan on getting a lift on my truck, so that'll be on a video. I don't know yet if I'm gonna do it or I'm just gonna pay somebody. Right now I'm leaning towards paying somebody to do it, because when I did the lift on my car I didn't record it, But it was a pain in the ass, so I don't know if I want to go through it again, but I will if I got the subscribers and that's something y'all would like to see. I would try it again, you know. It won't hurt to try it. I'm pretty sure I can do it. So yeah, man, just hit that subscribe button, man. Support the channel, and I'll try my best to get you good content, man. But yeah, so far I think it's coming out, you know. It looked better than it was, but like I said, eventually I gotta get a top anyways, so it doesn't really matter. See, I think you can see it there. This side is got it on there and this side don't. See how that side look dull and this side look shinier? Yeah, so I think it's working overall, but I'm gonna just go ahead and get to it, get this thing done, and so I can show y'all. And I'll pick up the camera whenever I finish. Alright, I finished it up, and I gotta say it looked pretty good. I mean, other than the stitching's falling out in some spots, it would almost look new if that wasn't a problem. Like I said, I gotta get a new top anyways, but I just wanted to try this out just to make it look presentable. But yeah, man, I'm gonna let that dry probably and actually get another bottle and go over it again probably next week. But one bottle, not even the whole bottle, covered this. I just kept going over it, but I'm gonna let it dry and go over it again. But it looked pretty decent, man. Y'all probably can't see it, but it looks way better than it did, man. So this Forever Black stuff, I say it's pretty decent. If somebody wanting to just do something quick to their top that don't have to get it replaced, you know, faded top that's still fairly good, it'll work for you. Well, God, that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, if you just browsing, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, man, go watch some of my earlier videos and, you know what I'm saying, support the channel and watch it grow with me, you know. That's gonna be it for this video. Till next time, I am Rello.